Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be having a native English speaker introduce himself in Swahili. So my last Swahili lesson video I did 3 easy way of how to introduce yourself in Swahili. If you didn't check it out, I'll put the link on the description box below. Ensure you check it out, and let's do it.
Jambo.
Jambo sana.
Habari yako.
Mzuri.
Jina Languni Xander. Natoka San Francisco. Nimefurahi kukutana na wewe.
That's awesome.
I'm happy that I'm getting it and I'm looking forward to learning more.
So that's it for today. By the way, he has a YouTube channel called Bro Code Series. I'll put his link on the description box below if you wanna check him out. And what do you do on your channel, Mr. Suro?
I do animations about stories.
On my next video, I'll be doing a difference in pronunciation between British English and American English. Stay tuned. Ensure you hit the subscribe button in case you haven't subscribed yet, so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a video. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, it's okay to give it a thumbs down, and please comment, give us the feedback. And also you can, rate him. I mean, not rate him, like just let him know how he did. Yeah, so let's do it, my people. I love you. See ya.
See you all later. Bye.